Take 3, take 4, take 5, take 6, take 28, take 37. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the workshop. I want to give a bit of an update because thanks to you guys watching these videos and supporting me, this channel is now eligible for membership. That means that if you want to, you can sign up to pay a couple of pounds a month just to support the channel and to get access to a few bits of exclusive content. I'm thinking things like vlogs, workshop tours, just a bit of a kind of what's going on day to day in between the main videos. There'll be a lot less polished, a lot more kind of, you know, this sort of thing. But if that's what you're into and you want to get a little bit more involved and support the channel, that's an option. You should see on the home screen there's a join button now. If you press that, that'll give you all the details to sign up. If you ever thought, oh Tom, thank you for these videos, these are so helpful, I love these are amazing, do you want a pint? I'd be like, actually, just join the channel. Press the join button. That's my pint. I'll buy the pint with the money from that. Probably not around here. That's be like a quarter of a pint, but I'd appreciate it. I'd appreciate it a lot. I quite like the idea of building up a bit of a community there, so we'll see how it goes. But nothing else on the channel is going to change. I'm still going to do my main videos at around the same sort of pace, but doing this just means I might be able to afford new parts a bit quicker and be able to get a few things like that going, so less time between videos and that sort of stuff. So press the join button, see what you think. If it's worth it to you, I'll see you there.